Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Hello YouTubers. Today we're gonna be doing some octopus and conch salad. Let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious Caribbean salad.
Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash this. Just to get all the dirt and everything that came from the fish market. I bought this in a farmer market in Georgia, in Atlanta, Georgia. Done the carrucho or the conch meat. I'm gonna wash it too. Before I clean it and put it on the pressure cooker, because I want to get it as soft as possible. Now this is the other octopus that I have here.
Clean it real good, get all that dirt and sand out of them.
Little bit of more conch meat here.
Have you ever tried octopus? It tastes a lot like calamari, just a meter, which makes sense given that octopus is sort of like a giant squid. Cut the octopus into large pieces. Discard anything that doesn't look like meat, okay?
With this octopus salad, you can eat it just like that, or you can stuff some turnovers that we do in the island. Find some turnovers, tortillas that you can stuff it with it, and then you can deep fry it. But I'm gonna do this as a salad. Maybe I'll take some and I'll do some turnovers later. Just cut there between the tentacles. Well, I got the 2 octopus in my small pressure cooker. Just make sure that you never go above the limit line so it doesn't blow. And I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker right now. This is my faithful small pressure cooker. I'm gonna put it like 20 minutes and I'm gonna check it out later. Oop. There you go. And I'm gonna leave it there. In the meantime, I'm gonna start cleaning the conch. Okay. Well, let's start by cleaning the conch meat. I don't like to skin it like this. I like to put it in the pressure cooker and then skin it because you might lose a lot of the meat. But I got this very sharp knife and it's skinning really good. This is the part that usually doesn't tenderize. There you go. It's hard as rubber. Now remember why I put it always in the pressure cooker first and then I clean it. Well, while the octopus is on the pressure cooker, let's start by cleaning and slicing all this green, red pepper, whatever you put in. Always use your kitchen knife, safe knife technique. You only have to do it. There's no perfect way to do it. It's bite size, but I'm gonna do small, very small squares. It's just red, green, and orange, whatever, yellow pepper, because it's gonna give you a color to the salad. You know, it's gonna be look more amazing. Remember, it's an octopus salad, not a green, red pepper salad. So you don't have to use that much, just to give a nice color, a little bit of flavor, and some crushiness too. Let's go with the onions. Nice trick. Split them in half. Skin it. You can put some goggles, face mask, scuba diving mask, run some water in the sink. Still, it's gonna make you cry. I never take this part out. This one is gonna keep it holding. You can split it like this, half again, and it will stick together.
Just cut the onions, the green pepper, the red peppers in bite sizes or small squares. Just be safe with your knife.
Let's do the garlic. Woo! That one went flying.
We're gonna make this garlic as small as possible.
Still this garlic, and we're gonna mince it real small. So these are the other ingredients that we're gonna add from the salad. We're doing two different types of salads. One is gonna be a conch, and the other one's gonna be a octopus. And so we have a cup on each bowl of extra virgin olive oil, pinch of black pepper, a pinch of adobo, 2 spoons of rice vinegar, a little bit of pinch of salt, the minced garlic, and some lemon wedges. We're gonna be putting that juices all over the salad when we're done. Well, this octopus is done. Let's see. Look at that, look at that. I'm gonna clean it and cut it. We got the octopus already cooked, and I clean as much as possible. This is gonna be for me. The first thing we're gonna add is a little bit of the salt. Just spread it there. It's a pinch. A little bit of adobo. Pinch of it. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of the garlic that we minced it. I think 1.5 spoons will do it. Perfect. Fill up that olive oil. And the vinegar. Take a wooden spoon and start mixing all together. I'm gonna give you my secret. Don't eat it today. Leave it in the fridge for 1 or 2 days so it gets soaked in all those spices flavor. And after that, let's add some of the red green peppers that we cut. A handful of it. Mix all together. Look at that. It's looking beautiful and smell delicious too. This is 2 large octopus, and we are done here. Now that we have I put the octopus salad in small containers because the bowl that I had before, it was too big, and just squeeze some lemon on it. For this size, just half a lemon will do. Look at that, beautiful, huh? You got all the conch meat already cooked. Let's start slicing it in bite sizes. Just like this, just small pieces, okay? Just were 3 pounds of conch meat that I bought in Atlanta. And I'm just putting the pressure cooker for half an hour. It smells delicious. And it's gonna taste better when I add it to the other ingredients. Well, I got all the green, red, yellow, orange peppers and the onion there. I'm gonna add all the conch meat now. Look at that. It's a little more meat than the octopus. I'm gonna mix it. So throw all the garlic that we mixed it before. Some of the adobo. Woo! And mix it up the pepper there. Pepper, salt, of that olive oil there. Whoop. You know, I screwed up with the vinegar, but I got more. Spoon off. There you go. That will do it. A little bit squish like 2 lemons. Mix all together. This is a ensalada de carrucho or conch salad, chinchorro style from Puerto Rico. Oh, it smells delicious. You see all the green, red, and orange peppers give a nice color, but also it's gonna keep some crunchiness to it. And I'm gonna leave it marinating for at least 1 or 2 days before I put it in my mouth. Ensalada de Carrucho, chinchorro style from Puerto Rico. This is conch salad, Caribbean style from Puerto Rico. It's very easy to do, but delicious, very healthy too. It's nice flavor. The conch is very sweet meat, but you have to tenderize it on a pressure cooker. And this is Dr. Traveler. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.